Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
There, Sultan Al-Khuzai here. Since 2017, I've been deep in the affiliate marketing game. And today, I've got something that's going to change your game entirely. You're eager to dive into affiliate marketing, but let's face it, it's like a jungle out there, and you're lost without a map. Well, I've got your map right here. AI Profits Propel isn't just a course, it's your compass to success. We're not just talking about basic affiliate marketing here. We're building an ecosystem that works for you 24/7, 365. Sleep? Vacation? Your business keeps running. Feel like you're drowning in complexity? Here's your lifeline. AI Profits Propel breaks it down, step by step, day by day. From niche selection to crafting that killer email campaign, we've got you covered. Worried about costs and tools? Here's the deal. You need a ChatGPT Plus subscription, a domain, and a private email. That's it. The rest of the tools, totally free. Affordable, accessible, no hidden fees. We're making sure you're set up for success without breaking the bank. Think AI is just for tech whizzes? Think again. In AI Profits Propel, we use ChatGPT to supercharge your marketing strategy, making tech your best friend. Whether it's automating tasks or gaining insights, AI is your 24/7 assistant in this journey. Ready to build a business that never sleeps? Join AI Profits Propel, and let's turn your passion into profits. Your affiliate marketing ecosystem awaits. I'll see you on the inside.